Two heavy hitters in video editing enter the ring: Filmora versus VN Video Editor. Which one really delivers? On the left, Filmora, empowering creators with professional-grade tools. And on the right, VN Video Editor, designed for fast, easy, and free editing, anywhere, anytime. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. So here's the game plan. We're comparing on price, feature set, ease of use, platform and compatibility, and export and output. Seriously, these are the categories that in 2025 matter most when picking a video editor, whether you're making viral shorts or cinematic masterpieces. Let's check out each one. First up, price. Okay, so Filmora has this perpetual license for Windows. You buy once and it's yours, which is nice for some folks. They also have a bunch of subscription plans if you want a little flexibility. Honestly though, the free version is kinda limited. And yeah, there's a watermark slapped on your edits unless you pay. Most of the cool features locked behind a paywall. But then, VN Video Editor? Wow, it's free on desktop and mobile. Seriously, zero watermark, even if you don't pay a dime. There is a pro upgrade, but it's pretty affordable, just if you want those bonus assets and a few advanced tricks. Overall, VN definitely wins this round. Let's move on. Next up, feature set. So, Filmora is absolutely stacked with pro-grade tools. Keyframing, color correction, green screen, multi-track editing, and, oh, here's something cool. Those AI features, like text-to-video and auto-reframe. Plus, there's this massive stock media library and tons of effects and transitions. But to be honest, it can get kinda overwhelming if you're just starting out. Now, with VN, the timeline is super intuitive, and you even get a nice audio waveform display, so you can see as you edit. There's a solid range of filters, transitions, and text options, and they let you export in 4K for free, which is wild. But yeah, some pro editing stuff, like fancy keyframing and deep color grading, is missing, and its stock assets are pretty basic compared to Filmora. So, Filmora clearly takes the trophy for features here. All right, ease of use. Filmora looks modern, and you can tweak the workspace. Great if you're picky with how your screen looks, but honestly, if you're new, there's a steeper learning curve. You do kinda need to poke around before you feel comfortable. But VN, super clean, beginner-friendly interface. The workflow is just fast, snappy, and yep, easy if you're more of a casual creator. Not as many settings for pros, but honestly, most folks just want something that doesn't get in their way. VN's the winner for usability. Oh, and did you know, VN Editor's free version lets you export videos with absolutely no watermark. That's honestly super rare, especially these days with most apps. Just thought you should know. Switching it up to platform and compatibility. Filmora is seamless everywhere. Windows, Mac, iOS, Android, you name it. And check this out. You get cloud project backup, so you can bounce between devices effortlessly. Only thing to watch for is their desktop license thing. It can be confusing. Now, VN is also on all the big platforms, literally Android, iOS, Windows, Mac. But the mobile experience, it's especially smooth, like designed for touchscreens. Downside, no syncing projects between your devices. Filmora is the champ here, thanks to that cross-device cloud backup. Finally, export and output. Filmora covers all the usual suspects: MP4, GIF, 4K, and more. Plus, it feels like they've optimized exports just for your social media hustle. VN does 4K export across every platform, even in the free version, which is honestly super rare. They also have direct sharing to social, but you do need Pro if you want the fancy export settings. For this one, Filmora squeezes ahead and wins, just for the sheer versatility. Let's pause for a second and check out the radar chart. You can really see VN crushing it on price and ease of use, while Filmora pulls ahead for features, compatibility, and export versatility. It's pretty balanced, but you get a clear sense of which app to lean toward, depending on what you need. So, final thoughts? If you're just getting started, or you want a free, no-nonsense setup, VN Video Editor is a fantastic pick. You're gonna love it. But if you're a pro, or you want to flex your creative muscles with advanced editing tools and a huge library of effects, Filmora is definitely your go-to. Bottom line, it's all about your workflow and what features matter most to you. If this breakdown helped you out, definitely check out our latest guides on video editing apps and tools. Stick around, we've got more head-to-head app reviews coming